The past 10 years, I've been reviewing and adding different brokerage accounts on YouTube as well as over on my blog, investingsimple.com. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a down of the best brokerage accounts to get started with right now, including what are best for the key features and mostly any sign-up bonuses. Guys, dozens of hours of research when making this video happen here, so if you appreciate that, do me a favor and drop a like as subscribe for the YouTube algorithm. The brokerage account for you is going to depend on what type of investing that you're looking to do. So to keep things simple here, we're going to break it down into specific categories. You have active, casual, new age investing, and then old school investing platforms. Let's kick things off here with the casual new age category, starting off with our top pick here for the best brokerage. But first, I do have to mention that I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't a kind of personalized financial advice. And at number one on our list here is Robinhood. Robinhood is most known for the practice of commission-free trading, which was a revolutionary change, as others used to charge $7 to $10 per trade. This has led to Robinhood now having a master base of over 25 million funded customers. Aside from commission-free stock trading, which is pretty much offered everywhere now, other features does Robinhood offer? For starters, Robinhood has pioneered the 24-hour market feature, which means users can buy and sell many stocks, options, and ETFs fully around the clock. The 24-hour market through Robinhood is available from 8 p.m. Eastern Time Sunday to 8 p.m. Friday, and between these time frames, Robinhood users can trade whenever they want to. This is a huge difference from the normal hours of the stock market, which are from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. But do keep in mind here that extended trading hours is really not recommended for everyone, for beginners, and that's because the market is more volatile with less participants these times. Moving on here, Robinhood has branched out into crypto. They now support over 20 different tokens, frequently adding new ones to them, and get this, they don't charge a fee for buying or selling crypto. If you look at how much cryptocurrency you give when purchasing something like Bitcoin, Robinhood compared to other platforms, you can see that you're oftentimes going to get best bang for your buck going through because of the fact that they don't charge direct fee, and you are also able to send and receive your currencies such as Bitcoin, for example. It makes Robinhood a popular crypto app now too. Robinhood is generally viewed as the most friendly investing app out there, but this should not be viewed as a limitation. Those who are more interested in acting as opposed to long-term investing, can be done right through the free-to-use Robinhood Legend platform. Robinhood Legend is specifically designed for stock trading, and it allows users to customize layouts, view multiple charts, apps, and even assets with detailed metrics. I have a Robinhood tutorial as well as Robinhood tutorial. I'll put links for those down in the description below. Robinhood offers a lot of other features too, including an unheard of IRA match on their retirement accounts. That I've noticed about Robinhood over the last decade is that they do not stop revolutionizing the industry, as they have continued to release new and innovative financial products. And as it goes, you can get a free fraction worth up to $200 when you open a new my affiliate link, ryanoscribner.com/Robinhood. In addition, guys, I'm also going to link up all of my brokerage account tutorials and sign-up bonus offers down in the description below. Next up on our list, we have Public. Now, Public is a brokerage account that offers in free stock, ETF, and options like Robinhood, but there are some differences between them. In my opinion, the key feature that Public offers them from others now is their new Alpha AI tool. This tool is powered by GPT full-time insights and analysis on stocks, ETFs, crypto, and other assets. It's free as you have a public account, which doesn't cost anything either. For the free, it simplifies the investment research process by bringing accessible AI insights. Another key feature here is that Public also offers a social feed where you can see what other investors are buying and share your own thoughts on the market moves. For traders, Public offers a unique options order rebate program, allowing traders to earn in 18 cents per stock or ETF option traded. This rebate amount depends on previous month's trading volume, but it's that they offer this because you're not from other brokerage accounts out there. The key difference about Public is that they do not engage in the practice of PFOF, payment for order flow. This means that Public does not receive commission from market makers in exchange trade orders to them. Meanwhile, Robinhood and others do receive compensation for this. opts for this more transparent market where you can actually tip them if you to support these free and open markets associated with traditional brokerage compensation models. In addition, another key noteworthy feature is public offers a high-yield cash account that allows you to earn a competitive rate of on your uninvested cash. Well, yes, you can earn a high yield through Robinhood and others, but in some cases these premium services that require Robinhood, which is $5 a month right now. So offers bond investment accounts where you make direct bond investments, which is something that most investing apps do not offer. Just to be clear, we are talking about investments into bonds themselves. We're not talking about an indirect like buying into a bond ETF for bond accounts allow users to potentially a diversified portfolio of corps, for example, offering a fixed yield up to 7% as of May 2025, but keep in mind it is subject to change. About the category here of casual new age investing, we have M1 Finance. This fintech platform offers a variety of account types to suit different. For example, users can open individual and brokerage accounts, traditional Roth and SEP IRAs, trust accounts, custodians, and crypto accounts with M1. The platform utilizes a unique Pi-based portfolio system, allowing investors to portfolios in a way that just isn't through most other apps. M1 Finance also offers dozens of model portfolios too that they do not directly charge for investment. M1 Finance is particularly well suited for long-term self-directed investors seeking a automation and control, but there are some fees that may apply. If your assets with M1 Finance are less than $1,000, you will be charged a $3 month fee. So this can be a deterrent for accounts, but you won't really have to worry about this if you've been invested for a while. And keep in mind, you can brokerage account too, which can help hitting that $10,000 limit. In addition, M1 Finance also offers a high yield cap that allows you to earn a competitive your uninvested cash. And get this, these loans are FDIC insured for up to 4.75, and it's where I personally park my final important detail here with M1 is the trading windows. Instead of placing trades throughout the day, M1 Finance offers 2 trading windows per day, a morning and an afternoon one. All trades are going to be placed at these, so if you want to be able to trade in and out of stocks and other assets at a moment's notice, then simply put, this is just not the platform for you. If you're interested in opening an M1 account or checking the updated high yield savings rate, be sure to use my affiliate link, ryanoscribner.com. It's time to switch gears now and talk about the next investing category of active trading. Brokerage platforms are going to be a lot more advanced with features that are towards those who place a lot of trade, rely on robust charting and data. At the top of our list here for the best trading brokerage account, we have Webull. Webull is specifically designed for actors who want research tools packed into an easy-to-use platform, which works well on both the app as well as the desktop platform. In terms of the features offered, Webull's advanced charting tools, real-time, a customizable interface, a seamless platform experience, advanced order can find most other places, and most of all to me is their paper trader. Allows users to practice trade without spending any money, but it's tied to the real-time market data, and it's going to operate in the same manner as the Webull trading app when you're using it. It can be a great way to get comfortable with a new app or trading strategy without to risk any actual money. In addition, Webull also has a separate app, Webull Pay, which is focused on cryptocurrency trading. So if you're looking for crypto investments, you want to check out that app separately. Webull also offers free fractionals as a optional bonus for new users who open an account. The free fractional share in $3,000 and $3,000 each, and the number of others awarded depends on the deposit amount. I'll put the current free stock promo on screen now, but click the link below or ryanoscribner.com/Webull to see the latest free stock bonus offer, and I also have a full Webull tutorial that I will link down below too. Next on our list here we have Moomoo, another active stock trading app. Moomoo is a global investment and trading platform that was founded in 2018, and the parent company, True Holdings, is a multi-billion-dollar tech company that actually trades on the Nasdaq. I've been using Moomoo for active stock trade for about 5 years now, but this isn't my primary brokerage account. With Moomoo, you can trade US and international ETFs and options with no trading. In addition, you can even trade in other bull markets such as Australia, Hong Kong, and more, which is unique compared to most apps. similar to Webull, Moomoo's advanced trading tools, real-time paper trading, among other great features. It actually has even more research tools and data available than Webull, making it an even more advanced. But the important thing to keep in mind here is that the app and platform still remain friendly despite being packed with so much data and information. Just like Webull, Moomoo is offering a free fractional share promotion. You can check the current offer by visiting link on screen or down in the description. Finish off the category here of the best brokers, we have Interactive Broker, or IBKR for short. Interactive Brokers is a global electronic brokerage firm that provides traders and institutions with access to over 100 FIDs worldwide. Known for its low-cost, high-speed trading form, it offers a wide range of finance, including stocks, options, futures, forex, bonds, and funds, all from one single. In terms of the asset selection and access to global markets, IBKR is really second. What sets Interactive Brokers apart is its full technology, advanced trading tool, transparent pricing, making it especially among active traders and trading professionals. Whether you're an individual investor or you're managing institution, Interactive Brokers gives you the tools and will reach to trade smarter and more. So guys, I would definitely you to learn more about them, and you support my channel by using my link, which is noscribner.com/IBKR. This is also to be linked up down in the description. Oh, and also make sure you subscribe for summer when I do a full Interactive course tutorial. Moving on now, guys, we have a story here of the time-tested old-school brokerage accounts. The brokerage accounts might not have the flashiest app or the latest new features, but they've been doing it the longest and are among the biggest. Fidelity tops this list, offering a wide range of services including brokerage accounts, mutual funds, retirement planning, and overall management services. The 13 different types of investment accounts, this can become overwhelming quickly. So here's just a few of the most common account types. Taxable brokerage account allows you to trade stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and other securities with a owed on earnings, such as dividend capital gains, and this is the most common. Roth IRA is an account type where you after-tax income, and then your withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. So this is a really nifty tool. Joint accounts, on the other hand, are counted by 2 or more people and allow all these to trade and manage the investment. That's just a few of the account types, but Fidelity offers commission-free for stocks, options, and ETFs among all of those accounts. They also support other common types of assets such as FIDs, direct bond investments, and CDs, which the newer brokerage accounts do not. Fidelity is also known for having fantastic service to assist you in your should you need them. If you want to learn more, be sure to check out my full investments tutorial for beginners, where I walk you through how to create an account and start investing from scratch. And last on our list here in the category of school brokerage accounts is Charles Schwab. Schwab, or just Schwab for short, is a well-known and trusted investment platform. It was founded in 1971, which definitely is this old school. They offer a wide range of investment accounts, and their services are great for both beginners and experienced investors. Beginners will get the easy-to-use app and desktop to reach customer service, and the fact they can go to a physical branch location if assistance is needed. Experienced investor traders, on the other hand, will appreciate Think or Swim trading platform, which is designed for active traders. However, you might find the user base seems a little bit dated, as they are an older company after all. In accounts, Schwab also offers services such as a checking account, as well as strong research and resources too. So guys, if you're looking for an old school, tested broker with a ton of useful, really can't go wrong with Charles Schwab. That's going to wrap things up for me, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you made it to the very end of the video, make sure you drop a like as well as subscribe and hit the bell for future notifications. Leave us a comment down below if you have any thoughts about the brokerage accounts on the store, if you have any ones that you feel we missed. For example, Vanguard was a strong contender, but they just didn't make a list here because we were rather limited with time.